Hello and a pleasant day, everyone. Congratulations and thank you for being part of another worthwhile learning resource endeavor of our division. I am Brian Arroyo, your fellow learning resource steward, who will embark with you in this journey. Now, at this point, allow me to walk you through the learning activity sheets or LAS development and quality assurance process flow. Now, flashed on your screen is a diagram to encapsulate the nitty-gritty of what is going to transpire in this endeavor. First, let me invite your attention to the blue broken lines. These lines distinguish the three major phases, namely the development phase, the column with the blue boxes, and then the next column, the quality assurance phase, the column with the green boxes and red rhombuses, and finally, the last column with the yellow box, which represents the distribution phase. You will also notice the orange boxes containing indicative dates. Now, after all the needs analysis and careful management planning, our starting point now is the development of the LASes. Allow me to enlarge the development of the LASes, which is scheduled on Feb 11 to 14. Then from there, the outputs will be forwarded to the quality assurance team for evaluation. The QA team will then have this decision checkpoint to determine if the LAS has met the standards. It would simply be a binary yes or no decision point. If the answer is yes, then the LAS could directly forward to final revision. But if the answer is no, then it would undergo a cyclical or reiterative process of revisions. That would explain the terms versions 1, 2, or 3. The assigning of the version number of the last output during that phase or during the process will be within the coordination of the development and the quality assurance teams. For as long as we unify our mindset that the final version will carry in its file name version 4. The timeline for this reiterative process will be Feb 15 to 21. And this timeline is flexible, dependent on the decision of the quality assurance team. Either of the decision points will bring the material to the final review and final revision, which is set to be not later than Feb 22. Then all materials should have passed already the final point of the quality assurance process and should be ready for distribution phase and our platforms for distribution will be the LR Link Surigao del Sur, our division LR microsite, and also to be distributed to the 35 district LR microsites. And I think that would be all. And I hope I was able to come across with all the salient points of the process flow. Again, thank you for your commitment para sa bata.